Today's market a little bit like Tom Petty in the waiting. All eyes on tomorrow's NFP report, especially after yesterday's light ADP number. S&P is mostly flat today after reaching a record yesterday, while traders, investors are waiting tomorrow, hunting for signs of a weakening labor market, and that could support rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Economists polled by Dow Jones, they're expecting a jobs gain of 190,000. Now, that report also comes after the ECB cut rates today for the first time since 2019. That puts a little pressure on the Fed to possibly lighten their policy stance, and that could see a restrictive path going forward. The Fed next decides on rates next week. Most likely nothing's going to happen. September is the best probability at this point. Canada also lowered rates just yesterday. This morning, weekly jobless claims, they were higher. Initial filings for unemployment benefits for last week, they were 229,000, up 8,000 from last week, and above the 220,000 estimate. Continuing claims, they were pretty much unchanged at 1.79 million. Today, ES option data, pretty heavy across today expiration, especially in the 5360 strike down to 5340 puts, 5365 up to 5380 calls. Tomorrow's 5300 puts and 5390 calls also very active. ES implied volatility at the money, 12% for tomorrow. That drops to 9% for Monday. That certainly reflects the uncertainty around tomorrow's jobs numbers. And some CME data, news from CME. May 2024 market statistics shows that CME set a new average daily volume record, 26 million contracts for the month. That's up 4% from a year ago. And in the equity space, micro E-mini equity index futures and options average daily volume, 2 million contracts, representing almost 36% of the overall index. Also, micro ether futures average daily volume over 27,000 contracts.